Ever wondered how to make your digital portraits come alive? Well, wonder no more. I'm here to spill the secrets, sharing my favorite tips and techniques to make your portraits burst with personality. Welcome to my Skillshare class. I'm Amnia Amer, character artist and illustrator for more than 10 years now. In this class, we're diving deep into the world of digital art using Procreate app on your iPad. Get ready to turn those blank screens into portraits that really pop off the page. From sketching to perfect outline to adding eye-popping colors and textures, we will cover it all. And don't worry if you're new to Procreate, because I'll be guiding you through step by step. Try to make it as easy as I can. Be ready to unleash your inner artist, because by the end of this class, you will be creating portraits that will simply make everyone go wow. Grab your iPad, charge up that Apple Pencil, and let's embark on this magical journey together. Trust me, it's gonna be a blast. Can't wait to see you in the class. Let's make some portrait magic happen.